How to change a drive belt on Honda Harmony Lawn Mower. When using your Honda Harmony mower, you'll know you have a drive belt failure when the engine seems to be running fine but you're not moving. The belts can be dislodged if you are mowing on especially bumpy terrain or fray and snap over time because the rubber becomes brittle. A drive belt replacement on your Harmony riding mower can take a half hour, but doing it yourself will spare you the cost of taking the mower into the shop. Things you will need: work gloves, Honda Harmony replacement drive belt. Park the mower and engage the parking brake on a level surface. Place the gear shift into neutral. Remove the spark plug wiring the key from the ignition to keep the mower from starting while you're servicing it. Begin disconnecting the blade belt from its pulley, which is beneath the mower and between the rear axle and mower deck. Detach from the riding mower frame the U-shaped bracket that partially covers the blade belt pulley. Turn the PTO lever off. Put on heavy work gloves to keep your fingers from being pinched. Grab the blade belt and pull it gently from its pulley. Unbolt but do not remove the nearby belt guide, which can be found adjacent to the drive belt pulley. Unscrew and remove the rear cover plate, which can be found beneath the spark plug. Unscrew the exposed flange nut that secures the belt holder on the frame's right side. Remove the belt holder from the transmission pulley. Unbolt but don't remove the belt guide atop the clutch pulley so the drive belt can be released from the pulley. Undo the parking brake and slide off the drive belt from the clutch tensioner arm pulley. Remove the belt from the transmission and engine pulley. Reinstall the replacement drive belt in the opposite order of steps that you used to remove the old belt. Ensure that the belt holders all have about 1/16 inch from the surface of the belt to allow it to operate properly. Place the alignment tab inside the tensioner arm guide hole before securing the belt guide to the clutch pulley and completing the task. Tips: warnings. Honda recommends checking the condition of the drive belt before every use of the mower and using only Honda replacement belts.